Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I am talking about this particular airdrop. The name of this airdrop is HeyElsa. So this particular airdrop have raised 3 million US dollar. You can see it here, 3 million US dollar. So you know Elsa is an AI-powered crypto agent designed to simplify blockchain interaction on EVM network. The platform helps users execute various crypto operations like token swap, transfer, and lending through natural language command. HeyElsa integrates with multiple blockchain network and DeFi protocols to provide a seamless transaction experience. So that is what HeyElsa does. That's what that's what this particular project do. So ASR is an airdrop that is currently going on. So I'm going to show you the step by step on how you can participate in this airdrop. So now, how do you participate in the ASR point program? Visit ASR using this link. I'm going to drop the link on the video description or on the comment section. You click and start participating. You don't need to deposit any money. You don't need to pay any money to anybody. All you just have to do is to click the link I'm going to drop on the video description or on the comment section, and you are good to go. Visit ASR using the link to earn welcome extra bonus. Connect your Web3 wallets to the platform. Sign the welcome message. Complete the initial account setup. Navigate to the point tab to view your earning. Okay, so these are all the things you need to do. So let's move in to the let's check the website. So now when you log into this, when you open this website, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a welcome message, and then where you can put your email. So I am going to use my MetaMask wallet here. I think that's the options there. If you have any of these options, you can make use of it, but I'm using my MetaMask wallet because that is what I have on my app. So this is my MetaMask wallet. So I just have to connect. Okay, permission. So let me connect to this platform. So I am granting permission to this. So make sure you read. So you can see I'm signing to a little price. So that is all I have to do. So you can see I am good to go. So I have signed in my wallet. You can see my wallet address over here. So this is what you guys do. Welcome to ESA, the simplest way to trade crypto. You can see this is the welcome message. Then let's go down. So this is just what you will see when you create the account. So you can see there's refer and earn. So if you refer someone, you can refer someone with your link. So let's check the portfolio. Let's check the portfolio. Okay, it's displaying my wallet. This is what I have. Tokens. It's showing what is in my wallet. So please, before you connect your wallet to this particular platform, make sure you are connecting a wallet that you don't have all your crypto savings in. Whenever you are connecting your wallet to any platform, please make sure you don't use the wallet that you have all your cryptos or all your money in. You can create a new wallet and use that particular wallet for your airdrop. So this particular wallet is the wallet I use for all my airdrop. That is why I am using it. So you can see this project over here. This was an airdrop we did a long time ago. So this is the number of token I got from it. So this is my airdrop wallet. I can't use my investment wallet to connect to any website I see out there. So make sure you take note of this and make sure you are careful and also do your own research. So that is that. So let's proceed. So you can read of this. Then let's go to the point, which is the most important one. Point. You can see I don't have any points. So you can see I need to share this on X and also swap it up. So these are the things I will do for me to be able to earn points. This is my referral code here. In case you want to join and you want to earn more, we can use this as my referral code. You can see 500 EP per referral. You can see it here. The reason why I didn't get any referral because I didn't use anybody's referral code. That's why I didn't get any points. That is because I didn't use anybody's referral. That is why I didn't get any points. So So if you know you don't want to swap, you don't want to do anything, just come follow them up. You can see I follow them up here, and I will go back to the app and then refresh. I need to refresh it to show them that I'm trying to authorize because they need to verify if I have done the task. You can see I have done this task, so I have earned 200 points. So I think I have to refresh for this to come here. So let me refresh and see if the points will come over there. So that is my first point, 200. You can see it over here. I have gotten my points. See it, Jessica, 200 EP points. So the next one is for starter. Remember this one say you need to swap, you need to do this, and I don't want to do that. I'm just doing the starters. For those that want to participate, if you don't want to spend money, you can just do these starters bonuses here. You can see this one is for make your first swap. You can see swap $10 to activate your wallet. You can swap $10 to activate your wallet. I don't want to spend $10. So if you want to spend $10, make sure you do your own research if you want to spend $10. So I need to join your Discord, and I also have to verify for me to be able to to use that. So that is all about Elsa. So if you want to participate for this airdrop, make sure you watch carefully and follow this process, and then you can participate for this airdrop. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe for more airdrop.